crazy to think about. I felt like I was just standing right outside the office, Jeremy's office, asking me what I was expecting in the year, where I was from and everything. Just honestly feels like it was like last month. So for you to say halfway there, it's so crazy to think about. It's surreal.
I'm Nat Saturn. Welcome to OIART.
Holly Appleby.
I'm Dante Skibuli.
Grace Doherty. It's like I've never used it before.
I'm Hayden Yuri.
Looking at the camera, okay. Hey, I'm Will Ludica.
Hey, I'm Sebastian Laviolette.
Liam Fowler-Purdy.
Napoleon Camo.
I'm Lawson Rustlow.
My name is Chris.
Patrick Tanda.
Jay Jacobs.
Hi, I'm Murray Anderson.
I'm Mason Castleman.
Hi, I am Greg Leonard. Oh, we can sit down.
Okay. Hello, I am Greg Leonard.
My name's Aaron Horostovic.
They're lots of fun. I have a lot of fun in them. And I think it's definitely a great way to connect what we learn in class to real world situations and actually getting hands-on.
Probably have to say how hands-on they are.
Just how much in-depth information you get from just working with the equipment.
All the hands-on experience that you get.
What we learn in class, we go in directly, do it in the labs.
Getting a chance to actually see what a job or a career in audio would be like.
I really like getting to work with all the different technology and
all the ideas that come in every single lab from everybody is amazing.
Interact with all of the gear and stuff that we see in the lectures.
Probably the hands-on stuff with it.
Favorite part about the labs is just the overall hands-on experience that you get.
It's all super learning, right? You're just doing it.
And I really like how it's not rushed at all. They're pretty long, but it's a good thing because it gives us time to really get it into our brain.
I expected to learn a lot, but this is
I did not think ever in my life, no matter what I'm doing, I would learn as much as I have in even the first semester here.
It's really cool to just stop and think about how much we've all absorbed in such a short amount of time.
No, definitely not. Just the amount that I've learned is just insane.
I have done some previous schooling before coming here, and it was not to the level of professionalism that everybody has here.
I obviously don't know everything, but I know way more than I did when I came here.
Because no one can be able to figure it out, and then sure enough, the labs, the more and more we did, the more and more comfortable we got. And
I think they're structured really well. You can definitely tell that a lot of work goes into the curriculum, and
the variety of stuff that we learn is just incredible.
The first 6 weeks feels like it was yesterday.
I like setting everything up and then watching it all come together.
It doesn't even feel halfway. It's kind of crazy that we're already in February. Feels like I just started a week ago.
No, I did not think I would learn this much, but kudos to OIART for packing it all in my brain.
It says right up front, there's a lot of hands-on work. You're going to be doing a lot of things, but I wasn't expecting it to actually be this hands-on.
That was definitely one of my biggest fears, is that, I'm only going to know parts of this industry, and will I be able to have a great big picture of the whole thing? And every day I'm learning more and more about the little things that are going to be going into hopefully what I get to do every day.
When I started, I thought I was confident, and now coming here and realizing all the stuff I didn't know, it's just gotten so much higher. I mean, there's still so much more to learn, but at this point I feel like I could actually make it a career and not just a hobby. It's pretty crazy.
Every teacher cares about you, and they orchestrate it in such a way that, I'm learning at such a fast pace, but I'm able to retain it. So I was really surprised at just the mass workload, but the efficiency at which the school produces everything.